You've built a great brand, now it's time to protect it. In Vietnam, the risk of trademark theft is real, and the legal system rewards those who register first, not who created it first. Imagine launching your product, building traction, and then discovering that someone else legally owns your brand name in Vietnam. It happens more often than you think. Vietnam follows a strict, first-to-file, trademark system. Whoever files the mark first, not who used it first, gets the rights. If it's not you, you could lose everything. At LTS Law, we help companies prevent this nightmare by providing professional, strategic trademark registration in Vietnam, fully compliant and legally enforceable. We're more than just a filing agent. We're your brand's legal defense, helping you secure your name, logo, and brand identity before anyone else can. Trademark disputes are rising in Vietnam. In 2023 alone, over 1,200 legal cases involved IP violations, many caused by late or poor trademark registration. We work with foreign investors, startups, franchise brands, and established companies across F&B, tech, fashion, logistics, and e-commerce, helping them lock in their brand identity. The registration process begins by filing an application with the Vietnam National Office of Intellectual Property, NOIP. We handle the entire process on your behalf. To file your trademark in Vietnam, you need your brand assets, a list of protected goods or services, company info, and a power of attorney, all in Vietnamese format. Our team prepares all forms, translates and localizes descriptions, classifies goods using the NIS classification, and submits to NOIP for examination. The process includes formality check, publication, substantive examination, and certification. It typically takes 12 to 18 months, but protection starts from filing date. Once approved, your trademark is valid for 10 years and can be renewed indefinitely, giving your brand long-term protection across the Vietnamese market. Want to expand faster? We can help file under the Madrid Protocol, or base your Vietnam application on an existing trademark abroad using priority rights. Worried about rejection? We conduct a pre-filing availability search to flag similar trademarks in the database, reducing risk of wasting time or money. Our trademark success rate is over 92% on first submission, thanks to our experienced IP lawyers and detailed documentation strategy. We advise you on how to write trademark descriptions that are wide enough to protect your brand but specific enough to pass NOIP's review. Need to file multiple trademarks? Or manage a growing brand portfolio? We offer full-service IP portfolio management, including renewals and assignments. Already facing copycats? We provide watch services to monitor new filings and help you file oppositions or cancellation requests if needed. We also handle enforcement, cease and desist letters, IP mediation, lawsuits, and administrative fines when your brand rights are infringed. Want to franchise in Vietnam? Your trademark must be registered first. We help you protect trade dress, slogans, menus, and franchise manuals. Selling online? Platforms like Shopee, TikTok Shop, and Lazada require trademark certificates to protect your listings. We help you get verified and stay protected. Our clients include global food chains, fashion brands, tech startups, education platforms, and consumer product companies expanding into Vietnam. We've filed over 500 trademark applications with NOIP, and our bilingual team handles everything in English and Vietnamese, so you stay focused on business. Your brand is one of your most valuable assets. Don't wait until it's copied, stolen, or locked by someone else. The cost of not registering far exceeds the filing fee. Our trademark services are transparent, affordable, and designed for businesses entering or operating in Vietnam for the long haul. We're a fully licensed Vietnamese IP law firm, not a generic agent, trusted by foreign chambers, embassies, and global clients for over a decade. Every client gets a dedicated advisor, live updates, and complete support, from first consultation to certificate delivery and beyond. In a growing market like Vietnam, brand protection isn't optional, it's mission critical. And the best time to register is before anyone else does. Ready to protect your brand in Vietnam? Visit lts.com.vn or schedule a free consultation. With LTS Law, your brand is registered, protected, and ready to grow.